It is December 10th, 2020. This is a demonstration of a Arduino-based electric blower respirator. Here are the electronics, powered off of an Arduino Mega. This is the motor that controls the valve and the flow rate, the exhaust. This is the display. Let's turn it on now. So you can see the exhaust valve opens on the exhale part of the cycle. And the period and the volume and the respiratory rate are all customizable. There's Jonathan Herz breathing, and the pressure within the mask is measured with this water pneumometer. Power supply, the air power supply that is. This is a second version. Stay tuned for another version.